Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue many users face: the WhatsApp app not responding on your PC after a recent update. Don't worry, we've got some simple steps to help you get back on track. First up, restart your device. It might sound cliché, but a quick restart can resolve various temporary glitches or conflicts that may be causing the app to hang. So, go ahead and give that device a fresh start. Next, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is vital for apps like WhatsApp to function smoothly. If you're experiencing issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This simple action can often restore proper functionality. Now, it's time to ensure you have the latest device updates. Outdated operating systems can lead to compatibility problems with applications. Head to your settings and check for any available updates. Keeping your device current is always a smart move. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, this could be another culprit. These services can interfere with the app's performance, so try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, if none of these steps work, don't hesitate to contact WhatsApp support. They have dedicated channels ready to assist you with any ongoing problems. And that wraps up our guide on fixing WhatsApp not responding on your PC app. We hope these steps help you get back to chatting in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.